In today's video, I'll tell you how to trade HN size with high profitability. Let me show you how to trade by trend. What is IZM? When price removes the inducement, it encourages you to open positions in the wrong direction. In this case, to buy. Yes, it encourages you to open Zelka long. But in the end, when the price comes, for example, for a test, people start buying, it gives a small reaction. And in this way, further falls below, and so it happens, absolutely always. That is, the price removes the inducement. And falls further below, that is here, after removing is M. We always wait our points, that is minimum. Then after the boss, maximum, minimum, maximum, minimum, maximum, minimum, maximum. In this way, we also use average sliding EMA line. Here it goes. And we trade from deviation. Above this line, that is when the price goes to deviation, retesting, so to speak, this line, we can open a position with maximum probability. That is, here is a real chart. ARB time frame M5. We see that the price removes inducement, that it concerns this block. This way, it incites people to open long transactions. That is, it makes a buy false manipulation, and we see that the price goes beyond our EMA line, making a deviation in this case. Here we can open a position with a short stop, and the target is 1.5. Further, we see that the price is waiting. In fact, here is the minimum, here is the maximum, but the minimum is here. Why? Because the price has increased again. It removed the inducement. In this place, it also made a buy here, well, in fact here. That is, in order to make any movement, it always needs to remove the inducement. That is, if it wants to go up here, it will need to remove the inducement in the opposite direction, and only then go up, remove liquidity here, then go down further along the trend. And what do we see? That the price, in fact, here removed IM, here encouraging people to sell. That is, it was also, in fact, a kind of buy, only already for sale. We see that the price makes, also the price is longer, remove the inducement here, and in fact we can open here also for sale with a short stop and the target 1.5, for example, pull, and be happy. Therefore, friends, trade in this way. As you can see, these deals closed just excellent. By the way, we see further what we have confirmed here, maximum to be a boss, but here new minimum, because the price removes the inducement, makes a buy, but at the same time, buy for sale. Why? She wanted to go higher. She removed the inducement. Here went higher. Made a very big deviation, but then the exit down, but this exit was not real because the price started still move higher. She removed inducements everywhere. And only then, after the last manipulation, near the extreme, she went down and accordingly made a boss, confirmed here. Maximum everything is very simple. Subscribe to the channel, to this channel, in order not to miss anything new. If you want, you can sign up for my course, complete training, and trade effectively with me and my students. Therefore, go to the Telegram channel. Thank you all very much for watching, and bye.